Alright guys, this video is just a quick little how-to, a little hack on how to adjust your weed whacker or your string trimmer so that you can put bigger line on there. This is a Hitachi, I got it off of Amazon. It's rated pretty highly for what I would consider a non-commercial use string trimmer. And one of the problems with it, two problems. One, it would only fit 095 line, and I wanted to go up to the 105 size, and it wasn't made to do that. So I'll show you the bump head. The bump head's pretty reliable for the most part. It's been a pretty good mower. I've thrashed this thing. So we live on 5 acres. I do a lot of blackberries, and one of the things about this string trimmer is it wouldn't fit 105 line. And the other thing is it had these slots, and the slots, when you get down to the last, we'll say 6 inches sticking out each side, it throws the line. So you throw almost 18 inches of line, because it's usually wrapped too, because of these little these slots. So what I did at first was I cut my own slots, and then I tried to cut them at an angle, a real steep angle, opposite to the wind, so that it wouldn't throw the line, and it still threw the line. And I use this titanium force Husqvarna line. It's okay. It's not wonderful for blackberries. It's pretty good for grass though. And it's, like I said, it's been a good weed eater. So the problem I was having is every time I get down to the end of the spool, I'd throw a big chunk of line, and there's just wasted line. So what I did, the hack is this, and guessing, looking at what I drilled out, you could even go up bigger. You could go to the next size. I think it's 135. I just took a drill bit that's slightly larger than the string line. I mean, a fair amount larger. And so if this is 105, I think I took an 1/8 inch drill bit, 125 drill bit, and I drilled through the bottom here. And I went straight through this and actually went through this, which is where the line goes. This centerpiece here. Don't know if you guys can see that. So I'll actually pull the line out so you can see it. So when you stick it through the centerpiece now, it's actually through a hole instead of through these slots where it can come out. And so obviously this piece is no good, but it would throw 3 times the length that line before. So normally it goes in this slot right here. And I'm going to bring it up close so you guys can see it. So here it is in the slot. I'll bring it right up to the camera. Don't know if you guys can see it or not. But that's what it looks like in the slot. So then I drilled this hole right here, and you just push the line through, and I just have a screwdriver or whatever to get it out. And then you pull it through, and it doesn't throw the line anymore after you've drilled. So what you do, again, I'll bring it up real close. You drill, let me see what you guys can see here. So, whoops. Basically, the line right there in the light, the hole is drilled right there at the edge of the hub, and you drill through both pieces. And that's what allows you to retain your line and not have it throw line. So I might go up to a 135 and try it. It may be too heavy for the engine, but I'm probably going to try it. Pretty good bump head for what it is though. I haven't had any problems with it other than that. So if you guys want to do a little hack to your weed eater, sorry I'm sweating so bad, it's like 100 out right now. But yeah, if you want to do a hack to your weed eater, that's how you do it. Drill a hole in your spool piece, and you won't throw big chunks of line afterwards. Hope this helps somebody. Talk to you guys later. It doesn't hurt that there's 200 degrees worth of lighting.